This fourth chapter of the On Semiconductor IoT session covers how innovation in connectivity technology is revolutionizing asset management. During this session, we will explain our definition of asset management, provide a market overview and trends, explain why Bluetooth Low Energy plays an important role, give an overview of several platforms for asset monitoring, introduce localization services, brief about end-to-end security, and provide tips about the ecosystem support with on-semiconductor platforms. Let us first define what is asset management for our presentation. Asset management is made of two topics: asset tracking, which is localization of the asset, and asset monitoring, which is recording the state of health of an asset. Both can be implemented separately or together. For example, in cold chain monitoring, it is important to have a timestamp and temperature of the asset. Whereas for delivery management, localization is of primary importance. And if you want to manage the localization of a precious vaccine, you may need both. Most of the market analysis of asset management are showing it is a fast-growing market. Let's review this. Figures from IHS Markit predict that in 6-year time frame, the market will be multiplied by 33. There are very few markets having such rocket behavior. Please note that numbers have been established before COVID-19 pandemic. Several B2B end markets have understood the clear impact of good asset management technology. If we consider connectivity technology for asset tracking only, Bluetooth Low Energy is considered as dominant. Remember that asset tracking is part of asset management. GNSS, also known as Global Positioning Service, comes closest but in second position. RFID is not mentioned here, as it is not really considered as a tracking system, but more an identification technology requiring scanner and human intervention. We will review the Bluetooth organization opinion in next slide. According to Bluetooth organization, localization services is the fastest growing area of all Bluetooth applications, with a 32% CAGR. The annual localization service device shipment will be multiplied by 3 in the next 4 years. Let's review the market drivers in next slide. Combining connectivity with material properties and/or localization and/or security opens up a vast field of high-volume B2B application. Be it manufacturing, supply chain, construction, and people health management, we list here few ideas like social distancing, disposable medical, elderly care, manufacturing, tool monitoring, quality control, and at the bottom line, supply chain, cold chain monitoring, and warehouse management. One can wonder why Bluetooth Low Energy plays such a role in this application. Let's review the potential. Asset tracking technology is presently evolving fast. As we move from a simple ID transmission with short range, which is good for retail and access control, towards value-added services like accurate real-time localization service, parametric log, like temperature, moisture, pressure, etc., etc., automated log capture and transmission, and remote asset management by opposition to close-by scanning. One can say that RFID is good for B2C, but not enough for B2B. Good for retail, not enough for warehouses. The following new applications are in line of sight. Emerging markets are identified, like indoor navigation of goods and persons, warehouse asset management, automated robot movement detection, geofencing and zones for worker safety, goods states of health management, management while moving. Those applications require small size, lightweight, cost efficiency, easy infrastructure setup. For such purpose, one technology comes in the first place, Bluetooth Low Energy. As shown on the graph here, the combination of good enough range with low power consumption, feature-rich capability, and low cost is putting BLE at the center of attention. Having a rich portfolio of solutions is interesting for developers and system integrators, and ON Semiconductor has developed them. Let's review the platform proposed by ON Semiconductor for asset management and monitoring. We have listed all platforms released in the past 2 years by ON Semiconductor. Please review our website for more information. We have made asset tracking a vertical application of strategic focus for us. As we speak, not less than 5 out of 10 are dedicated to asset management, as shown on the left of this table. This multi-sensor node with Bluetooth technology has acted a foundation. Featuring RSL10, our ultra-low power BLE system on chip, sensor family from Bosch SensorTech, ambient light sensor from ON Semiconductor. This device is proposed with multiple application examples as free of charge SEMSys packs for application developers. We have also developed a free of charge mobile application for smartphones as shown on the right. Information is transferred from edge device to the gateway with Bluetooth Low Energy radio, either in connected mode or through advertising mode. The gateway is a smartphone. We provide the mobile app for both Android and iOS, but any off-the-shelf gateway can also collect data from this device, making it of universal interest. From the previous one, this derivative is an award winner. With such a low power consumption, our RSL10 BLE transceiver is enabling this BLE sensor node to be powered by energy harvesting. We believe that self-powered asset management is possible right now. By self-powering, we mean it is a battery-free sensor node. Further evolution of this node is on the go. Stay tuned. We also optimized energy consumption of a coin cell operated device to reach very long lifetime from a single CR2032 cell without compromising on the payload content and duty cycle. There is a sad tendency coming from competition to downgrade the quantity of transmitted information and reduce rate of transmission to display multiple years of autonomy. This type of compromises are clearly unpractical. ON Semiconductor does not compromise on functionality of use case. This platform serves as a baseline for adding other services like localization. Let's review this in more details. Adding localization service for asset tracking is an exciting topic. We review the outcome of our collaboration with Coupa. Here are a few words about Coupa real-time localization technology. For more information, please follow the attached link. Such localization system is based upon a set of locators placed on indoor ceiling or on outdoor portals and connected to the so-called Coupa Positioning Engine, or QPE. Specific low-cost BLE-based beacons are moving around and get real-time localization service. Accuracy of localization is up to 10 centimeters. A lot of additional services are also proposed to the system integrator based upon the payload of the frame and the back channel. Typical applications include asset tracking, indoor navigation, access control, location-based advertising, inventory management, people flow management, and worker safety. Our Coupa support is so-called Tag Emulation Pro. On Semiconductor has developed a Coupa Tag Emulation Pro API supported by our RSL10 BLE SoC. This technology, as shown here, is a midpoint between standard BLE-based RTLS, located on the left, and Coupa native technology, located on the right. It offers a nice cost-to-performance trade-off for system integrators. We mean 10 cm accuracy, 50 Hz real-time localization refresh rate, end device information payload, and back channel for device management. On top of that, we come with ultra-low power figure for extended lifetime. On Semiconductor provides the base Coupa technology Tag Emulation Pro firmware API running on RSL10 and RSL10 sensor evaluation boards. Customer support as it relates to RSL10 firmware, and several use cases are proposed. We also support a configuration wizard for easy setting. On his side, customer will procure the locator software from Coupa. Customer is responsible for productizing the tag and getting it certified by Coupa when necessary. Customer can also connect with Tatwa for delegating tag design, firmware and hardware, and volume manufacturing. The summary of our value proposition for localization is as follows. Improved localization service time between 2x and 4x depending upon the use case from a single same CR2032 battery. Ultra low power performance means much longer battery life. We also offer no compromises on services through custom payload and back channel and accuracy. Customizable application with IDE Wizard. Support of Tag Emulation Pro standard. Support of qualified Coupa tag manufacturing partner like Tatwa. Let's talk about security as it comes with various implementation on RSL10. There have been several initiatives in Europe and USA over the past 1 year about security implementation for IoT. In USA, Oregon and California states have edited their own initiatives. In Europe, European Community has led several initiatives for recommendation of implementation versus end markets. They are mostly ranked in few categories: consumer, enterprise, industry, and critical domains. By definition, the security threat of an IoT system resides where the weakest implementation is located. The weakest element can be anywhere in the communication flow back and forth between the end device located on the left and the cloud-based business application located on the right. There are several ways to protect this flow. We have selected to make encryption and authentication with a renowned IC manufacturer of the secure element. We have partnered with WiseKey, who owns both a secure element and also provides public key infrastructure, also abbreviated here as PKI. To that extent, the secure element and PKI guarantee each other the information stream is protected end-to-end. Mutual authentication of the device and PKI are also possible. Here we show a bit more details how the combination of PKI and secure element bring IoT a value proposition by protecting device identity, managing provisioning, and also guaranteeing certificate of authority, and moving to the extreme right, providing a root of trust. This type of application can benefit from security end-to-end, cold chain monitoring, factory automation, healthcare, high-end tracking. Description of operation of the secure beacon is shown here. On the left, secure information is provided to the secure element. The Vault IC computes a unique signature of the data. This information is transmitted via Bluetooth Low Energy in the middle to a tunnel of the smartphone mobile app that is connected to the cloud PKI. On the right, the PKI receives the signature and extracts encrypted data that is compared to the one sent in clear. If OK, an encrypted message is sent back to the mobile application together with the value-added services information residing in the PKI. Verified information from the sensor and PKI are displayed on the mobile app. The secured beacon diagram shown here explains how several key elements are interconnected together. The WiseKey Vault IC 407 and on-semiconductor RSL10 work together, protecting the end device information from various threats. Listed here, we can mention man-in-the-middle attacks, asset fake copies, transmission repetition, content identification, and fake content transmission. As one can see here, asset management is not just a device stuck to the asset, but it's more a complete node-to-cloud ecosystem. Asset management is more than tag fixed on an asset. Let's review this notion of ecosystem a bit further. A complete and node-to-cloud value chain has to be considered. From left to right, platform for proof of concept, device manufacturers for industrialization, system integrator for complete system overview and definition, cloud service provider for hosting the data and cloud services, and finally, on the extreme right, business application design for defining the use case for the end user. As far as the tag is concerned, several options can be added to build up the compatibility with system integrators and add more services to the end user. Localization, security, data logs, but also product integration and services in order to meet with application requirement. On the right, application examples are shown like cold chain monitoring, parcel tracking, factory, floor, tool, asset monitoring, and people flow management. Let's explore this manufacturing device path. On Semiconductor and Tatwa have been established a partner in 2019. Tatwa brings support to the integration step and create an end product in line with end user equipments. Asset management is obviously much more than a tag fixed on an asset. Supporting iBeacon, Eddystone Protocol, AltBeacon, and proprietary protocol may be required. Featuring configuration options, operation partner parameters, NFC tags for storing asset information or localization, and offer multi-sensor capabilities, support IoT cloud platforms. Tatwa is a beacon manufacturer, worldwide leader of the industry, with more than 200 million tags delivered in 2017. Tatwa business development team is located in Switzerland and Germany. This is a snapshot view of the product portfolio for asset management, including beacons that can be attached solidly to the asset, key fobs in the center, customized wristbands, more on the right, and credit card size trackers, and even much more. Tatwa supports the many function variants that have been developed by ON Semiconductor, from simple asset management on the left to value-added services with security and WISeKey partnership, and Coupa localization services. Features can be implemented together or separately. Tatwa has an ecosystem for developing such type of devices. Summary of our value proposition. As a summary, the value proposition of ON Semiconductor IoT platform for asset management is bringing ultra-low power expertise to IoT and devices, providing award-winning platforms, addressing asset management vertical as a whole, with a solution-centric approach for faster time to market, covering node-to-cloud ecosystem. With this, it is time to end our IoT session. We hope you find it informative, innovative, and we will welcome your questions. Talk to you soon.